Hi, I'm Jeff from Hahn, and today we're going to review the Leatherman Curl. Okay, the Leatherman Curl, we're going to start with the pliers. The pliers, okay, so this is a long nose plier. In between the plier here, we have the wire cutter. Anyways, with that, we have the can opener. You can, if you're going camping, you know, you have an easy access to open your cans. And for me, the most important tool right beneath the can opener is the screwdriver. You know, interchangeable. We have a ratchet which extends the pliers to about maybe 4 to 5 inches. Okay, and this is called the owl. It's basically used for puncturing holes. Let's say for your belt, you want to put a hole, you stick this in, you know, the empty part of the hole, and boom, you have a hole. Our next tool is the medium screwdriver. So if you have, you know, unusual screwdrivers that are bigger than usual, this is what you use. What I like about the Leatherman Curl is that it's got an outside accessible blade, and then on the other side you have your diamond file. And lastly, we got the scissors. Yeah, and that was the Leatherman Curl. It's got 15 iconic tools inspired by the Leatherman wave. It's a well balanced all arounder. It's good for DIY, EDC, you know, everyday carry. It's got 25 years warranty. So meaning to say, if you break the tool, you break a blade, we'll change a 25 warranty guaranteed for free. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.